China finds Nvidia violated anti-monopoly law. China has found that Nvidia violated the country's anti-monopoly law in its 2020 acquisition of Israeli networking company Mellanox Technologies, setting the stage for potentially deeper regulatory scrutiny as U.S.-China trade talks continue in Madrid. The ruling by China's State Administration for Market Regulation, SAMR, on Monday concluded that Nvidia failed to fully comply with restrictive conditions imposed when Beijing conditionally approved the $6.9 billion deal in 2020. The regulator said it will launch a further investigation into the chip giant, sending Nvidia shares down 2.6% in pre-market trading. The SAMR's investigation centers on whether Nvidia violated specific commitments made during the original approval of its Mellanox acquisition. When China approved the deal in April 2020, it imposed restrictive conditions designed to prevent anti-competitive practices in GPU accelerators, private network interconnection devices, and high-speed Ethernet adapters markets. According to a Calculus Tech report, these conditions included providing fair access to GPU accelerators and Mellanox networking equipment in China, and prohibiting anti-competitive practices like forced bundling and discriminatory terms. The conditions also required Mellanox to disclose information about new products to competitors within 90 days of their release. Timing amid trade tensions. The announcement comes as senior U.S. and Chinese officials are holding their fourth round of trade talks in 4 months, meeting in Madrid through Wednesday. The timing appears deliberate, adding pressure as negotiators led by U.S. Treasury Secretary Bessent and Chinese Vice Premier Heng Lefeng work to prevent further deterioration of the world's largest trading relationship. President Trump has authorized the continuation of existing tariffs averaging 55% on Chinese imports through November 10, while both sides seek to extend a temporary truce that has reduced retaliatory duties and restored rare earth mineral exports from China to the U.S. The investigation was first launched in December 2024, with SAMR stating at the time that the concentration of operators has or may have the effect of excluding or restricting competition in key technology markets. Monday's announcement represents the preliminary findings of that probe. China's action against Nvidia follows a pattern of escalating regulatory moves by both countries targeting each other's technology sectors, even as they pursued trade negotiations to ease broader tensions.